Welcome to the Positive Life Rituals community. I'm Ray, Reiki Hypnotherapist, subconscious guide, and someone deeply devoted to breaking the trance we didn't realize we were living in. If you found this channel, there's a good chance something in you is tired of the looping, tired of reacting the same way, tired of feeling stuck, tired of knowing there's more, but not fully accessing it. Most of what shapes your reactions, your fears, and your patterns was installed through a hypnotic process. And not the stage kind, it's that everyday kind, through trance and repetition. As children, we were naturally in a highly suggestible state. We absorb tone, emotion, belief, identity without even questioning it. And whatever was repeated became truth. Repeated thoughts, repeated emotional experience, repeated environments. And over time, repetition becomes identity. And that's subconscious conditioning. So how do we break it? You don't fight it. You don't shame it. You don't try to force yourself into a new personality. You use the same mechanism, consciously. If conditioning was installed through trance and repetition, it can be rewritten through intentional trance and repetition. The subconscious doesn't respond to willpower. It responds to what is repeated in relaxed, receptive state. So instead of repeating fear, you repeat safety. Instead of repeating, I'm not enough, you repeat chosen truths. Instead of rehearsing worst case scenarios, you rehearse alignment, and not aggressively, not perfectly, but consistently. And on this channel, I guide you through that process, through hypno journeys, subconscious reprogramming, Reiki-infused healing work, and grounded conversations about how to gently wake up from autopilot living. You don't need to become someone new. You need to consciously choose what you repeat. Because repetition built the program, and repetition with awareness rewrites it. And if this resonates, explore the journeys, explore the music. Start with the ones that make your body feel good. You're not broken. You're conditioned. And you can condition yourself back to love, peace, and abundance. Welcome home.